Alone. So here's my statement to Bespil. Arnel Guerrera Castillo. Why are you saying a bad word, PI? You know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you think you are wanted by NBI and PNP, and you say about PI. I say to you, Bespil, I say in Filipino, you are a son of a bitch, Bespil. In Tagalog, putang ina mo, Bespil. You know, Bespil, you don't really how to stop. And you keep bashing in social media. People are complaining against you, Bespil. Arnel Castillo. You know what, Bespil? Arnel Castillo, you are a wanted by NBI and PNP. You know, you're the one who make act of lasciviousness or rape joke at Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Evelyn Caja, Teacher Marisa, Teacher Freddy May Masalabsidos, Teacher Rina Nebres, even Teacher Lovelyn Villasor, Teacher Isa Bancula, the girlfriend of Teacher Vince. And next is Michelle D and Miss Earth 2022, Mina Suchoy. You still want to harass them? Bespil, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, or Arnel Jair Nel Castillo, Bespil. You are a wanted. You're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central. You're the one who make cyberbullying against Vico Soto. You're the one who make cyberbullying of Tito Soto, Vic Soto, and Joey De Leon. You're the one who stole the bicycle of Vico Soto. You're the one who stole the bicycle in Las Piñas. In Zapote, Alabang, Las Piñas. You stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo. You're the one who stole the cell phone in Marikina of Sir Calvin Cuevas. You know what, Bespil, Arnel Castillo? You're a wanted. You do not blame people who are not connected at. Like I said to you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you're the one who cut the wallet of your uncle, and you cut the 300 pesos in your money. You know, Bespil, you have lots of violations. Even the delivery rider in Food Panda and GrabFood, and you call themselves PI. You know, Bespil, you are wanted. You're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central stairs. And even you, Jean Asedio, you're the one who scolded me in CDIFI in year 2003 and 2004. Together with me, Luis Cabales, Miguel Bonono, and Paul Renz Young. And you're the one who scolded David Gill way back 1999. You know what, Gina Sejo and Bespil, Arnel Guerrera Castillo? Deactivate all of your Facebook account, even your Facebook page, Bespil. Motherfucker, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Mga putang ina kayo, Gina Sejo at Bespil, Arnel Castillo. Is this a right to make cyberbullying in social media? Huh? However, I do not want to pick a fight that both of you. Like I said to you, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo, binastos mo si Diwata. Tinawag mo si Diwata ay kadiri. You are gross, Best Phil. Kadiri ka, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo. Even you make a act of lasciviousness at Paula Nunez, try that to Paula, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo, you know there's Paula Nunez uncle will bash you on social media and Facebook. Paula Nunez is a fan of TVJ. She is fan of Tito Soto, Big Soto, and Joey De Leon of Eat Bulaga. You, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo, you're making a lots of rape joke. You are wanted, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo. And you call me autistic, Best Phil. Try that, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo. Even you, Gina Sedjo. If both of you don't stop, Gina Sedjo and Best Phil, Arnel Castillo, I should put both of you in my enemy list that I move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Dara May Tuason, Ivy Montalayola, Anya Santos Dumalog, and Jeffrey Beltran. Hi, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo.